UiPath Studio, an integrated development environment for creating automation workflows. UiPath Orchestrator, a platform for managing and deploying automation processes at scale. UiPath Robot, the execution agent that performs tasks and processes automation workflows. UiPath Assistant, a user-friendly interface for running attended automation tasks. UiPath Automation Hub, a platform for planning, managing, and tracking automation projects. UiPath Insights, provides analytics and performance insights for your automation processes. UiPath AI Center, enables the development and deployment of AI models for automation. UiPath Document Understanding, extracts structured data from unstructured documents. UiPath Data Service, manages and stores data used in automation workflows. UiPath Apps, allows you to build custom automation apps for specific tasks. UiPath Test Suite, a comprehensive testing solution for UiPath automation projects. UiPath Automation Cloud, offers a cloud-based platform for hosting UiPath services. UiPath Marketplace, a platform for finding and sharing pre-built automation components. UiPath Academy, an online learning platform for UiPath training and certification. UiPath Forum, a community platform for UiPath users to seek help and share knowledge. UiPath Communications Mining, it turns every message into actionable data, in real time and on any communications channel.